Guest nila akong dalawa. Okay.
Surprise! Working on someone to be part of the concert. Who's going to ask the next question? Christoph of Push.com.
Hi guys, good afternoon. My question is for everyone. What are your preparations for the concert, and what will the fans be looking forward to for this upcoming concert?
Well, siguro yung preparation ko po meron ko ng tutor ngayon ng voice lessons at natuto ko ng gitara ngayon. So I'm trying to practice as much as I can pag may free time ako ng gitara and singing, di ba? Merong mga rackets, mga small concerts ngayon. Galing ako sa Dubai po last week. At pumunta ako sa Bahrain after tomorrow po. So mga rackets, so lahat ng practice po.
Preparations. Well, hinihintay lang po kami yung rehearsals. And of course, like Daniel too, practice kumanta. Siguro kung merong little dance steps, siguro mapapractice naman din. So, lahat naman magiging surprise. And lahat paghahandaan naman din.
I've had meetings with Sir Marvin the past few weeks, and we've been meeting on what our songs will be with Casey and I, and for our solo spots and all that stuff. I'm very excited because he's also one of my producers on the album, so we're going to collaborate, and hopefully this will be my first time to my first concert and everything. So it's putting my foot inside the door, and hopefully it will open more.
Okay, for our next question from Mario Bautista.
Congratulations, concert performers na daw kayo. Pinangarap niyo ba ito? Is this a fulfillment of a dream? JC, kasi ngayon ka lang magaganito, di ba?
Yes, tama kayo, Mario. This is my first time na mag-perform sa isang venue na kung saan merong mga manonood at magbabayad ng tickets na hindi siya for free. But ginawa namin to for the fans. Something that we want to give back sa mga supporters namin. Very, very excited kami dito. Lalo-lalo na ako kasi nga since first time, I don't know what to expect. Pero sabi nga sa amin, pumunta lang dito at mag-enjoy. And yun, nantayin lang natin ano yung nangyayari sa concert.
Parang yun ang music natin. Kasi the last time we saw you was actually kay Mother. You were together. So, ikaw din yun.
Ito po kasi siguro ito yung umpisa ng group namin to marami pa. Siguro susunod araneta po, sabi Sisig Mati.
So, may balak talaga kayo mag-araneta? What can you tell us about your album? Is it, which label is releasing it?
It's going to be co-produced by me and Star Records. I have another producer, Mr. Louis Campos. He's also one of my producers. And we're supposed to have a session later for listening, but na-move was to tomorrow. So, yun, it's Star and me and Sir Louis Ocampo.
Is it an EP or a full album?
It's gonna be a full album. We're still discussing how many songs, maybe in the 10 track or we'll see.
So you haven't really recorded anything?
We have recorded 3 songs, but I think we're gonna continue and we're still deciding.